spiced honey cornbread. First thing we're gonna do is take us a nicely seasoned cast iron skillet and line it with some butter so your cornbread don't stick. We're gonna take 2 boxes of Krusteaz cornbread, almond milk, brown sugar, and honey from a bee, not the one you get from KFC because that's honey sauce, okay? And we're gonna take some cinnamon. Let me show you something. With that milk, I'm using almond milk because I ain't never seen a cow breastfeed a human, and I ain't never seen a human breastfeed a cow, so I'm gonna let the cows have the cow milk, okay? So you see me going in ahead and adding my wet mix to my dry mix. We're gonna add vegetable oil. Yes, vegetable oil because cornbread needs fat. Okay? Then we're gonna take us 2 eggs. Crack them babies open, but before you drop it into your batter, you want to look inside them shells and make sure that your eggs don't have no blood and that they not rotten, because you'll mess around and ruin the whole dang thing if you put it in there without checking it out first, okay? It has happened to me before. Now you see me adding that cinnamon. I dropped that cinnamon because that's your spice. You can add more if you want to. You can even add a little nutmeg if you want to. You can add some cardamom if you want to. You can add whatever the heck you want to because guess what? It's your cornbread. Then you see me drop in that dark brown sugar because it's going to just make it nice and sweet and wonderful. And it's also going to add moisture inside of that cornbread as well, okay? So you see me ladling down what's left in that bowl. I'm scraping it all because, again, waste not, want not, right? So, oh, and I know y'all saw that pan in the back, but we ain't going to worry about that. That's my frying pan. So we're going to drop it in the oven and we're going to cook it double the time because we are using 2 boxes. Don't open up your oven and wonder why your cornbread is still yellow and it ain't golden brown and nice and ready, because you ain't doubled your time, okay? So you see me add the butter over the top. You can use salted butter or unsalted. I use it unsalted, but that salted do make it hit a little different. Then we're going to add that honey on top. Once I add that honey, it's going to absorb into that cornbread and it's going to make it sticky, icky, ooey and gooey, okay? See what them funky folks don't left me? That's all they left me. Sometimes I can't stand black folks, I promise you. Ooh.